Maya, and I'm very happy to be here to do my 200-hour yoga certification from Vinyasa Yogashala, and I couldn't be happier to be here in this experience, in this whole vibe, and the teachers are so great. I couldn't ask for more. It was like just the best experience as a good start for my yoga journey. It will really help me for the future also, and yeah, I can recommend for like everyone, whoever is like finding difficulty to find the yoga school, and I'm just very much happy and I'm very satisfied. And on this day, as I'm finishing my course, and yeah, as for now, this is okay.